The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a tornado warning for central Webb County in south central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Callahan, or 11 miles south of Encino, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bottoms around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Laredo and Unitech Industrial Park around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Webb County in south central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bottoms, or 15 miles northeast of Laredo, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laredo, Laredo International Airport, Bottoms, Unitech Industrial Park, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilars, Ranquitos Las Lomas, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Orville and Laredo Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.